Okay, so it looks like this lines up right there like that. And this is gonna run around, and then it's just gonna set just like that and all be tucked up under there. So let's go ahead, peel it up. You can see there's a line right here, and we're just gonna put it right on that line and then meet it in the whole way. This is nice and dry, by the way. Looks like you want to line it up with this bottom. Okay, there it is. And that looks almost like factory. Just getting these bubbles out right here. And there's the back one. Just like that. See how it looks when the door is closed? Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, so there it is. I just installed them all on both sides. This is the driver's side. I use this right here to kind of like meet it out and get it all going down in there. If you do get a little air bubble that you can't get out, get a knife or a needle and just barely poke a hole in it. That's what I did right there. Instead of fighting that air bubble, I just poked a hole in it and it went right down. These things look awesome, everybody. This is something I recommend for anyone that's got an F-150 and they just want to kind of like keep this area from getting scratched up from your boots and things hitting on it. That's all I got on the side panels, you know, protectors. See you on the next video.